Well, for the first time you watch our channel, please do subscribe. You know what I mean? We keep on. We're up on the roadside, so watch a nice day. Is it? Or not watch a nice day. But anyway, watch a movie and subscribe. We'll try to go as much subscriber as possible. We're going to 20 and it's one king. You know what I mean? Yeah. Burn it down to the ground. Let's go. Thumbs up, cups up. Enjoy while it lasts. Enjoy while it lasts. We not live forever. Me I tell you my boss. So drink what you a drink. Floss if you a floss. We not live forever. Me I tell you this my boss. Enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy it while it lasts. Everybody have to die sometime. So right now I want to relax and just unwind. Calling the ladies.
Tia. From morning, me give you something to do to clean out the shop. And you not clean out it done yet? You don't know, so me have to stop them. Me have to wipe down the place. Me have to go stop the shop for you. And just when you're done, check me, because me didn't want you to want extra work. When you finish check me, I want you check me over yard.
Listen, miss, with all due respect, a whole heap of work, you know?
A whole heap of work, but a whole heap of pay you they get. A whole heap of pay you they get, because me pay you extra. Me no play with people money. Me a woman when I play with people money.
Alright, me love money, so me hurry up and do what me do.
I mean, when you hurry and then not do it good enough.
You go do it.
Okay. When you finish, you check me over yard, you hear?
Alright.
Alright.
Trouble until it come on, you know. I don't want America. I'm not supposed to Chicago. From yeah, mosquito. Listen, no man, I don't know nothing really. Hear what me I say now. Me just done walk at the yard and I rake up and now. So me almost finished. So I want to know when you carry the money come, what time. Listen, man, me go why you for hurry up, carry the money come, because I ain't lingering. You understand me? I have one next work to go on. Yes, Masky. Yes, Masky. Listen to me now. As cock take off in draws, me dey move fire, so you know. Masky, just hurry up now, man. By the time me done rake, I just want a little part me have left for rake. Alright. Yeah.
Mama, you need your time now. What? You don't know me, you don't know me? Because long I know you for a long time for you when you look like mag and black. I know you're brown and look good. Some of them are free, you're smart. I say, yo, right now, I rest for the on your front line. I tell you.
Rasta for the power.
Me if you're driving and this all the time, I go in some place, go to country, go pick up yam, that thing and coke and stuff. You know what I'm saying? You say, I do it.
I don't know that. 80 wagon.
I go there straight.
I don't want no man who drive no 80 wagon. I jelly me once. What's it easy? What me doing that? You have AC? Eh?
Yeah, I see where look at it, coolish.
Little bit.
Coolish. Yeah. Because Jamaica hot, so it's coolish.
Very interesting.
A long time, you can't give me a chance, man. You want to can go on a carrier. You can get a baby night, you can have a baby night and tell you.
You can take care of baby?
But we have a country go though. Come pick up your arm, dash in and coke and everything and come sell it back.
Yeah, hello. Me are brown, you know, let me tell you this. Me independent. So nobody born and gone to country go pick up your man. You know easy. No, me no want
no, me
that.
have power, me have pre man. Me see as a lady with a sit down round one basket and go and sell 2 things.
No, me I do my own hustle. Me no interested.
Me
Me
see
no
her
fear
hustle. Me see her hustle for true, you know, that's why I say, yo, you come to mine and say, that girl here, she have potential, she work, she had all sorts of different work.
You know what I mean? You see any man me I take up now, me have to do up your soul. So see me down here, sir, and you have to
I hear some of them, mama. Mama, I hear some of them.
when you have to do up your soul.
No, see that? Go on again. Up here some of them.
Up your soul.
Me there who you up here
But
some.
it's not easy.
No matter how you jump, me still up higher than that, so. No matter what you care, mama. The GLE are worldly things that are vanity.
Anyways, I can't say that too long. I'll work me and go
Think
pan right now.
about what I talk to you about. Me say, I can walk. Put the GLE
Me not
one side.
interested.
You buy the GLE then, and me teach you how to drive it. Go on. But walk where you walk and buy GLE. Can GLE to buy? Go on, go walk and then when you buy it. Go on, just outside you go. How would I drop you? Where you go, me now drop you?
Yeah, right, you want.
How that car go where you go, but you're too bright. Yeah, start to. Alright. Right down.
Your girls. One by taxi. One by taxi, now wait fine. Now wait fine. Missing color. Hello. Marika. Oi. Girl, me safe. Me bingo, girl. Me bingo.
You too lie. How comes a bingo?
Me say me turn up away from one bike taxi.
Yeah.
And when me look, I want to go and see a pass and me see come try US drop out and pack it.
Bombard! More for me share.
Girl, how much is value?
Run $14,000-15,000.
Yeah, but
So where you there? Come me want something out of that, you know.
girl, me soon call you back. Me right now me hungry and I walk me there go. Me I go buy sitting and then I call you back.
Girl, tell me where you there, me meet
Me
up
not
with you.
style you, just listen to me now, man.
Alright, later.
Later.
Alright. Serve!
Yes, dear, come on. Good morning.
Good morning.
The first message, you just moved like here, huh?
Well, I don't really live in the area. I just passing through, like,
Okay, I see.
working at the area.
Oh, you're working at the area.
Yeah.
Are the nursing home around the block you're working too?
No man, just right all about. Me all around. Like if you want your shop clean up anything where you want to do.
Are you know something for somebody to really do some cleaning for true?
Yeah. One, yeah man.
So what can I do for you this morning?
You know, say something, I want drinks and want sausage, me did one, but US me have, I don't have it in Jamaican. And how much I change US for?
No, don't worry yourself, man. Me have everything. Canadian, Euro, everything. Don't worry yourself. Please.
So what the value? Why value the money?
Okay, it's 157 now.
157.
157 for $1 American.
Your rate high.
So don't worry yourself.
Times 157. That's 15,700. Alright, let me get one Pepsi. I want.
So you want a cold one or a hot one?
Cool.
You want it cold? Okay.
And a sausage, pepper one.
I'm not really sure. But let me look and see. You want to say less?
A thirsty.
Ah, there you go. That's 500.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So we figure back some change on that. Give me 1 second here.
Oh my god. Yeah, alright, no.
Yeah, man, I'm good enough. I'm not complaining to eat the power, but it's a life though. Sometimes cold, sometimes hot, sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, sometimes nothing wrong. Not true? That's so good. Alright, sweetie, so 5, 10, 15. That's the change, sweetie.
Alright, so. Alright.
Yeah, man, you must always come patronize me, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know the era
as
come.
me tell you, I write this on my work, so
Yeah.
we always come support you.
Yeah, and then also, you have to think about this thing because you have to know the money about.
Yeah.
So you clean it and then you keep up with the store because they didn't want to work lazy, the woman lazy, they want to do nothing. Me I pay the woman 20,000 a week. And the woman, if you come here, come clean the shop, please.
Can only imagine.
Yeah.
But anyways, me later now.
Yeah. Oh wait, there's some money I look fake, man. Hold on 1 second, baby. Hold on. The money fake, you know. Yeah, man, the money fake.
No, man.
Yeah, fake.
Me said the money can't
Yeah,
fake.
man. So that the serial number, the serial number over there, so
Yeah.
it's not the same serial number over on the other side. If you look on it, it's fake, man. And where you get it from? Somebody?
Real money. This real
I
money.
know real money, man. It's fake.
Listen, right now,
And where you come from? Where you get it from?
round the road is so.
So them you have to go back to. And them give you fake money.
No real money.
It's fake.
Anyways, me can't come up with there no longer. Me late for later.
What if I see my damn crosses up on me now? You want me to do with this? No, sir, this is not right. See that the money fake? No, I'm not blind. The money fake. See that? It's not the same serial number on this side over on the serial number different. I'll catch you. Watch me and you. It'll come out to your pay. I'm going to hire you and it'll come out to your pay. I'm going to hire you. It'll come out to your pay. You think you're sick.
Hi, nice lady.
No hire you. No hire you. I'm going to never write. You're fake money. I see you find us. If you come up to complain. You can't do that.
So how you know something come back to compare?
You see the money then you're not stupid.
Anyways, miss, me really, when me tell us I'm really sorry about what happened this morning. It's like, well, day me day at work and me just feel one guilt just come over me and tell her. Me never know see the money fake, you know. You believe me say, I run the road there so me there, I wait for one bike taxi this morning. To carry me to work. I'm just one guy that pass. I see one guy pass and the money drop out time in pocket. But by the time I look him gone, so I could have better run him down and me take up the money. And the way I did so hungry, I never get no pay. I pay me just get a while ago.
So why you never tell me from the beginning, for you hear me toss the money fake? Why didn't you explain to me and say, miss, you know something, I find me, something if it fake or real? You lie, you shouldn't lie.
Listen, miss.
I mean, I plan for bring you come in at my store.
I did late figure work. So me never have the time to talk to you. See, me be honest enough. And see.
You know what I not plan for do? Let me tell you the truth because God love the truth. Me not plan for really hire you. And when you get your pay, me draw back my money on time.
And that's what I plan for do?
Me not plan for do it, lady. Because I say you lie to me, I know so the money fake.
No, me never know say fake.
But you know what? I tell God to joke your heart. I said God prick her heart because you know deep down the money fake, Lord. Me say prick her till she come. Alright, anyhow, that done and gone. Thank you for coming back and thank you for your apologize. I accept your apology. And it's first supposed to give 500.
No, it's alright, keep it change.
Good. You take away one soda.
I can't check you see that the money real.
No, this really is a Jamaican money. We're not fake money in Jamaica.
Okay. So
we're not like that. We're not like scammers like the
anyway, so
alright.
Me and you we talk.
We'll talk about that.
Alright.
Take care of yourself now.
Yeah.
Alright. No big car in a lie. She said, you can't see the grip in the woman's face. I lie myself. You will have known that one pass half $100 pound. Wicked fault, man.
I can ask one question.
Yeah, man, there's someone asks how you, man.
Why you stay with me so long? Pretend like you don't know me and avoid me and...
No, you know what go on. The first time I see you, you know, and I mention it to her daughter, say, yo, and I like you. She start show me, say, tell me something, say I know I'm a good person, so we just have to keep me distance, you know.
So me ain't a good person?
Yeah, man, they tell me a lot of things, but I don't need to go down in a way. And tell me, say,
so who tell me so?
no, I'm a man like it. Anybody tell me things, I just keep. I never down and talk or who say what. But here now, she tell me a bag of things about you and I say, yo. And when I see you now and observe for a minute now, I realize, say, what them there say, I not really true. So, I start then. I have to do the start. But none of me alone. After the first time, and then period of time, they see you start move distance too.
No, I just said me move distance. Every time my cousin tell me say, I'm going to my cousin and tell my cousin I like it, you know. And my cousin said they don't talk to you because they walk around the neighborhood and play people. You understand? They tell me say once you get it, you're gone. I say you do it every girl in the neighborhood that they tell me. So me I say me I walk around.
Your cousin don't know me then, man. So I guess something like active enough for their mind though.
I don't know.
But so we get past that though, because I'm still there. And I get here 100 times already, I'm still there.
But you can't make somebody kind of believe them when I tell you.
Well, a life, you know, man. So people say things, and if you want to believe, you believe, because that's a belief kill and belief cure. You know what I mean? So, them only go talk things. I mean, no matter who wants the things, there's no reality.
It doesn't matter, like, first off, you stay with.
Yeah, man, that's life itself. So, but we good on all those, so that's the greatest thing. So, what you say out tonight, though? Yeah, man, curve up on the, we feel like we'll all listen to some people that sing some reggae music and just keep my foot in the sand. If you feel like going in the water, going. So, I just that. When I come on, just push, come inside your
You're not changed though, you know?
You don't have to change, man. You don't have to change, I'm just on the walk, we are walk, man. So I'm looking super as I'm shorts and I'm going. I think some more swim afterwards still, so that's good. Just get over here.
Uh-huh.
I check for your phone there now, get your phone, you know. Anyway, may I come over there now, man?
Alright.
We're nearby.
Alright. It open.
What going today?
What one?
Hmm?
What you going today?
Me I call you whole day today. Only if you know,
Listen
say
now.
you're there, Ritz Cafe with man.
Who there is cafe with man?
Someone tell me say there Ritz Cafe with man.
Look here, no bother with him. Me never there no risk cafe with no man. Me go up a country. And no service holiday a country, that's why you not get me phone.
Somebody tell me say you're there Ritz Cafe.
Let me show you what me did. Because me take some pictures now. So me don't know what you are tell me say. A risk cafe this year? Is this risk cafe?
No man, but listen now, listen to me. When people tell me things, you know, you can't blame if you believe, you know.
So why you believe people? You're supposed to believe me.
No, that you show me now. Good. Anytime, yo, which man is somebody there? Look like somebody that trying to mash up behind you know. I'm going to tell you the truth. That somebody there, I'm going to cut them off. They can't tell me nothing more. Anytime they talk to me, I just put me on the music and talk blah 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 blah. Do not listen, nothing what them say again.
If more go risk cafe, you know you carry me.
Me carry you.
Exactly.
No,
so where me go risk cafe with other man?
Listen on man. Picture if somebody call your phone and tell us me there Ritz Cafe and what sunset with another big body girl.
You listen me now.
A big body
Me
girl.
now go just jump to conclusions.
But tell the truth, but yo, but yeah, and then you try to call my phone and get me where you that thing.
Then more that kind of thing, something, yes?
Yes, so not that one. I
But
call
where
your
you
phone.
come in?
No, listen now. Remember say me not come in and box and kick it down, you know.
You can't box me.
Me just come through and I say what you were in debt today. Because idea say you know, if I come run a Ritz Cafe and see a man round them, you know, say you can't swim, but you would have to take a dive. When you touch down, if you leave, but me know say me I throw you over there in the water. And if you're too try me to you go over there. Cause me can't swim. Right? Me no fish but me can swim. But me not gonna make you drown, you know, but I make you take in some water first. Then me come behind you and grab you by your neck and dip you again and then carry you out. That's somebody gonna save you. I show one life jacket around you afterwards, but me don't forget to two times out tight.
For a reason.
No, if me see you with a man. And if him come now, remember, yo, so I'm small.
Listen me, you have to have trust. We don't
Yeah,
trust
no,
we
no,
don't
no,
do
I tell you,
anything.
woman. Because he's a baiting on the man, baiting on the man. Me there priest right there, the boy in the water now, I'm just go down so, and then come up so, with the chop. When he think say, you know, you must start at the Elia, come over so, bam! Anywhere catch him, in knock out. Okay, you know some man, them bright and fierce, them have your woman, they cheat with the woman, and when you come and beat your woman up, they want to fight you. And I say, you must beat your woman up, you know. But woman must have respect. So when your man shake you, you must just know, say, because he love you. He shake you because
No.
in that situation, no.
If a man shake me, I shake him back.
No, listen now. You can't wrong and strong.
But
When you're wrong,
when I did not do it.
No. Yeah, listen, we're not talk about that, man. We don't know say you're innocent and no man. But me just say, if you ain't bang go so, me I tell you what me bang go and do. Me say I would have chop him. Because me no machete for me today, but you see that foot here? We call it chop. You ever bought in the water yet? Enough somebody knock out. Because you play as a sport. You dive and then you flick over and try to heel over. Boom! Anyway, catch you. So when I want to chop you, if you dive so, some man can chop it all in 2 foot so. So we chop all in a place here. When it's small, what's the place on idiot here? Deadly. See Al Karachi? Bam! Keep man on their seat up on their head. And then we had to test us, but you see, those days are gone. And I will not tell you that we play them games now. They can play marble. They can play marble. See, but I think they could not play marble. Boxing tire. And all of them look a game there. You know? Trying the skipping one who can't turn that long, them play fit. You know what I mean? But I see them come with the tic-tacker. So everybody there on the tic-tacker, everybody are Willy Bunks and everybody are do their little things. Some things say, well, that suffice with some of the things, but the song them is the problem where I come in. I'm not get into that tonight. Tonight is not a night of talking. You have so much hunger and I have so much energy. I could lock off the light and bounce in my dark.
Pinky! Pinky! You want tea? Yeah. Look a bit.
Sawa sikio.
Ushinanga somebody have a tea for you already. Thank you, what is it? You had one funny angry because you have one holy hunger.
So your cacas there. That's just fresh like a midnight.
Well, I don't know how crackers. Where your crackers?
No, cacas.
You have your crackers down.
See what cacas right there.
So where your crackers?
No, I don't know.
You never got none.
Come and go get some. Alright, come and go get some. Why you have that smirk on your face? So where's the spoon then? You want to wear a puzzle.
Me make it tea, make that spoon.
Just a spoon for me, man. If I didn't make it for you.
Because the crackers do miss.
Sure, we are puzzle must leave as one. So one left back, you can't make
make you one left back.
You want a spoon to make the cause.
But you want crackers. Most of them crackers are in there because you have to eat this morning.
So where do your crackers, Marika?
Last. No spoon out here.
So you bring fork?
I must fucking gamble. Is that the other thing we make good?
Everything you complain about.
I love kids.
And then two years old.
You don't want to do that. You
Get answer.
Now look for me, sir. And we take it and bun you.
And then they try that.
If it's a feel, you just say no feel good.
Sometimes I have to wonder.
Wonder boy.
Because me and Ali just good and you just come like the bad apple in the cousin crow.
And you hold on with the one place.
That's why my last one to forget everything.
That God Ali is fresh man.
Well, let me tell you
But
something.
they tell about us because true, but it's true me miserable and me love
Yeah, no.
I know it's fresh, right? But I don't want sweetie and didn't say too sweet. So every time I say fresh, that's what I
You got a job. I thought you want to know.
No. Yeah, sure. I'll make you one. You want to?
get. Done.
Drop.
I want to drop it. Then I look up a long time.
Don't give her none.
I'm bomb back. I forgot to be a lavambula. You want this?
I'm not ready for you. Come on, please. No. Don't mind. No one to see me go take you throat me. No one see. I'm a bad man like a what?
Look what about Badmind.
I'm going to put something on the TV to watch now.
What?
Oh, I'm in the room. I'm thinking you want to watch that.
You know, go so. The chair we have to agree to it. Your TV. Remember my room in the
Come here and make sure you're alright. Only thing more you have to do,
yeah, we
make
can't
sure
watch
you
this,
stay in the school and you take your book marker. Never try to come and stay up before me leave, but if when I get to come, just know that you have my phone number and something, I have your phone number, but we'll call you. You understand? I'm going to make sure that you're alright. You know, say you love your father and something, your father go alright, it's just the same. Everything you need to leave it out or anything at all, we go to stay here for you.
Understand it?
Like she up to something.
You get sick and tired of it. Nowadays, you just go and live to my life and not focus on him right now. Martha.
Okay.
No, you can't start there.
Give me one. One now.
You can't give me box sugar now.
Martha, you forgot that we just share a biscuit with you?
Fuck! I mean, tell them to share the biscuit with me.
You know, say you never had none.
I'm playing with him.
Go and run here. Go out of the room. Come out of the room. Go on.
Come on to the room.
Yeah, go on and
Oh,
feel
so bad mind.
Come out of the room.
Go on in your room. I too Badmind. And your heart dirty.
Phone out dirty. I told me not putting on my cakas. I'm a
But I
bad
just share
mind.
food with you, will you?
God never tell me to share.
When you go to the God chance, make a buck your toe.
What?
You see, are you a fat enough?
Are you
always
so-
kind to
I
her.
used to come make we give her some, you.
It's alright, Marika.
Follow feel the heart. Feel like yard, no heart to get here. You must get in your again, man. Hurry yourself. And this time we not fall feet.
Aliyah,
Hmm?
look how we had clean against her. And her heart just dirty against we.
Because the truth, I don't know what Marika. All we do is, I show Marika love and all of that. Marika just hate me so for no reason. I don't know, maybe you have a lot to do with Uncle, because I remember Uncle you like that, so. Maybe that's why he hate me, but I don't know he hate you. You know me?
I don't even know if it's right now, but
Mom said, you go cook
let's
in
go
the
around our kitchen, go put on this and go in my room.
Yeah, wash up your stuff, please, let me get to cook here. Look up your own, let me get to cook.
So why we always have to do them something then? Marika can do it too.
As I say, I can't bother for you to tell Marika.
Alright.
Because you know she not do it.
Alright.
don't know.
Yeah, just
Alright, that's what we have. So.
oh yeah, though. Why as me don't know she pay them America, you want to come dirty them up?
Take one. Me tell her to go wash them this morning. You can't wash them?
So what you cook?
Well, come on, type pattern, just wait now.
See what coffee? Watch out. Look at me for work me do now. Look at. What you for work that me do now?
It's alright.
What you for work that me do?
Alright.
Come on, tie kitchen when me do me.
So you make up on the plate on this cup?
Come on, tie kitchen when me do me I do. Watch out.
Give me something now.
Yeah, go wash them back.
Yeah, me ask them back.
Mama, come out, take out something dirty. Sitting there, man. You see the same thing when me talk about?
Yeah.
You don't just tell me say I go wash them back.
Yeah, that hurt me, man. Me can't wash the plate them right now. That hurt me, man. Just
Man, go wash out the
wash
plate.
it, do me a minute. Wash out the plate. If I didn't wash them for you,
When last you wash plate in here?
every day I wash plate.
Are you
One day in the past time I wash plate.
Marika, stop telling her Pinky wash plate in your morning time.
Oh yeah. Just wash the plate then, man. I don't feel so good. Do. Please.
It not happen again. Me not wash them, you can't wash them. You even put them where they have to go.
Why every time when you're asleep, your phone depends on you?
What do you mean?
If you go to the bathroom, you have your phone. Anywhere you go, you have your phone. Why problem?
Basically, you have to understand, say, he's a businessman. My phone ring constantly. So if me the business and me get a business card, I'm going to call you and ask them, can my phone come give me? That make no sense. See your phone a bing there, me ask about for your phone? Eh? You laugh now, why you laugh
TikTok
now?
message coming.
TikTok is message.
Look.
It's an iPhone, eh?
Mm-hmm.
iPhone, TikTok message no sound so. And me buy your phone. You make it sound like say I get to get it.
Do if you buy me one phone,
That now
you're supposed to buy me the phone.
I'm not saying that's a problem. I am saying to you that you're making the situation sound like me don't know what kind of sound come when message come in. When message come in the phone there, it being so. Right, alright, open your phone.
You want me open my
Open your phone and show me. Can you show me the screen dark and white like me as some mad man?
See then.
You know message that? Eh? That's the mark. Who they mark? Mark a text you. And then you have Matthew. What? A true because you go to a church? Eh?
Jesus.
Eh?
Master God. This
Master?
is safe.
Let me say this is the state. What you
This is
talk about? I mean, I understand. So you have a problem with my phone and there's so much man like a disciples. How are you,
No
Jesus?
man not text me phone.
No man not so
By the
how?
way, Miss one white man not text you.
White man text me? Alright, you see right now? You just touch one can right now before you touch you know. You touch one can, but you're not supposed to touch. And you have to understand this thing. You see? Trust is a very important thing in our relationship. I want to have it obviously. Right?
What you mean we not have it?
We don't have nothing named trust. Because if you won't trust me, like when you trust for your Matthew, Mark, Luke and John, we would have a better relationship. No, this is a woman that is my friend. And she come and she bring things, she send barrel and all them something there. You name out of barrel too. No me you collect the barrel. You never see name for the barrel. So when you went down in that barrel and I dig down in that barrel for all like oil and the sugar and the sitting, you won't never ask me who for name this. Now you see it's sister. Listen. The thing me need to give you a break. See? And the break I'm here give you, me just need to see over there so and we just cool out for a little while.
What you are trying to say?
Me I say nothing what me I try to say, me I say what me I say. You say me I try. I try that. Me a baby. You think I Google Gaga business? So you me say. Consider say we up on a little break. Come here for rest off on yourself.
So where you are going?
Leg on me hand. Leg on me hand. Nobody make it see. Nobody make a scene. But already in a one place where everybody can hear when we are doing things every night. We don't want nobody go talk about them here say. Me. Nobody go here say. In man left him break and gone
What
past
do you want to do right now?
Me I say, me I take a walk. Me I take a break for my own sanity. You understand that?
But me never mean to make a fuss. Me just
every
say something
day
to
I
you.
see him thing. See? If you now get up and say, me no mean to make no tea, but you put pot on fire with water and start cut up ginger. What you do to make tea? Every day. Listen me, understand say this a thing I have to do.
I feel like say this one live fam.
No, I never want to do it. I never want to do it.
Nothing happen no while ago to say y'all live. Nothing at all happen.
That's the thing there, you know. And people like you will kill me, you know.
What you mean by
What
that?
you mean? Yeah, do things, I say now do things. That makes sense?
But what me I do, me just come to you and I talk to you. What your problem?
If you call that talk, keep it talk to yourself. We done with this. Who is this? You first then. When you want it there?
You know, what y'all going so? What y'all being so?
You make me go catch up cool look and rain and fall. Give me a break. Something wrong with it? Something is wrong with it? You're supposed to force people to stay around you. Me no want your great no see me say. Me no want the dirty neighbor them over there so you want to go on.
But rain a fall, but you
Leg on me.
stop me rain a fall.
Leg on me, I say man.
Stop man.
Leg on me, I come and push
You
man.
go catch up.
Make me catch up cool. Me alright, the cool me catch up.
Stop man. What is
Hey baby, what? Girl, they said me a pass through. Come there, me a boring and nothing to do. How we are come here for go? Yeah, but anytime you see you come for your ear, you know. So you're up to something.
I don't know things this one.
Anyways,
Oh man.
girl, they are tired. From other day, I just walk all. You want come get a shop? Tired, then me get one next one. Come here for walk a people yard. You want?
And when you who teach about waka?
Eh? I don't know a thing about walk when I come to go get the work.
Yeah.
The way me want the work, I tell the man and his wife, say I know if you use waka. Suppose you see me? Eh?
Yeah,
When I tell sitting and flying on me eye.
oh Jesus, let me see in there.
But anyways, me and me gonna catch me like
I want to get your money.
I must be pay. Cause about 4 different work me they do right now.
So, my God.
But anyways, go and people man, right?
Jesus, Steph. You have to go control yourself. No.
I bought you mine.
Alright, fine.
Go through.
And what happened?
I'm gonna enjoy life.
Do you have yourself now?
You know, easy, you know.
Where you got?
Oh.
You never see a lot of people in love yet.
One.
Come sit down, me go and test up here before me go. Because I still can't struggle for test up here. Then good girl. I observe something.
What is that?
Fire. I never know say fire.
You know fire?
More than a thing. Anyways, that's good to know that the drama there. I never know say fire and Ali.
Girl, yeah. Massa.
Hey.
You know why I hear them run there night time?
What do you mean?
Me say
Saka?
me say I can't barely sleep. And it was something now, man. Oh Jesus. Me not some type of feeling sometimes I wonder.
How they do you not buy one rose? What anyways?
I don't listen to their cancer.
Rose not go nowhere. Right on the edge. Anyways. I don't even remember how long ago, but not very long. No fire me see. Someone they saw me I go work one morning. I miss the call me, they look me. But you want in a relationship with me and say, me tell you something, I want a man with Tida. A Tida? I want Eddie wagon. I don't a jelly in the one. I say I want to hear the man who want me in their life and this and that and So anyways, I'm happy for your cousin. I hope you treat her good.
But loving still.
Me see that way loving and they laugh
And they slap and batting and something.
That's very good. I won't be last.
Hope so too.
Yeah, hope so too. What?
So you go cook some rice and brown stew chicken. That would. Mom, we are talking. We are cook some rice and brown stew chicken and we want 5 bills to make up and buy the meat.
5 bills?
Yes.
You got so much money here, $50?
No, $50 I cannot do.
But NASA.
$50 me have.
See the Pinky put 5 bills and me put 5 bills already, you know.
So what problem?
What that can do?
That can't buy, that can't do anything.
You see, $50
That
you
can't
put
make up.
1 piece of meat.
This can't even buy one all-purpose. I know what she all-purpose.
The price of face, so that can buy 2 all-purpose.
100. Yeah.
And 2 Maggie seasoning.
America.
I'm proud of me $50 only per money.
Yeah, me I call auntie and ask auntie what wrong with you? Me I go call auntie and ask auntie what really wrong with you because
And she have money, you know.
your answer on mine. $50.
So $150. A wallet per money that. You think you look at the money that?
Deal with a cousin, because I not deal with her no. Oh. She away a cousin and it's just me and you alone I try.
But the chair will live here. If Fabian bleach and soap and something to buy, and me and you buy one to you can buy somebody else something one night time. You can buy one sheet. Every morning you get up money and every time you come on if you want a food sheet.
Yeah, man can't get money.
You don't have a man, where man there?
You don't have a man. Man run left me.
Man run left me.
So she said, me not no man, me not no money. What am I going to do? Right now, I walk me go.
Oh, you two gonna meet this guy by now? If you two gonna meet by 1 piece of chicken for your $50.
No problem. Yeah, no problem with that.
Yeah, Brighty. 1 piece of meat for $50 enough if you get sauce or rice.
And we would look at gravies.
Another. If none of the thing couldn't bad, give me sauce and rice and gravy.
Where you gonna go
Me
to?
go see. Me not say nothing, you know.
You might see before you
Laugh. Right,
Well, I wonder what we do in our life. Sure.
What do you mean by that? So what me do?
You don't have to behave, so you behave
You're
like a
evilous.
hooligan.
You're evilous,
What do you
man.
mean me evilous?
You come like you hoodlums them. You're too evilous, man.
I think you're too wicked, man. I gone too far.
$50, Marika, $50.
And that me have 50.
I know that you have. Me know you have money, Marika. Me know you have money.
And yeah, me have $50 and me go to the last $50 with the in my name. One me to do go sell Go on the bridge.
That
I
would
bet
be
you
better.
don't send me pan.
At least you don't contribute.
Me not go on no bridge to please no big grey back girl.
Oh, so we for use what for money to please you because you're about you ask.
Imagine
Last
share with a
one,
cousin.
you forget everything.
Imagine share with a cousin. She bigger. Me coming at the middle and you come last. And you say, oh, come on, you.
Yeah, only for take care of me. Come here, little one.
Oh, where your papa there? Your mama there? Me go buy chicken and come back here. Come here and cook.
Alright.
Love when I cook it up. Love when I cook so cook good. Oh, hurry up, young cousin.
So you have so much meat, Marika. Why your plate look so high and look pan for me? Or you go back in the iPad? I'm going to tell her earlier.
Look at Alewa.
Say, you go back in the iPad because your plate not supposed to so high and everybody plate. Japan, me no business. Chat can never be too much.
I'm not going to sit down and tell them to eat fat.
I only put $500 towards the food. I only put $50.
Then the amount of money that?
$50 money, Marika. What?
And what is money that? $50 money.
$50 money?
The money. Else the makeup and buy food.
So me only $500 money that then.
And money, you know.
No, but if $50 money, $500 money then.
And every money and money.
Of course, do this. No, man, I'm saying.
The $50 never did that money. I put the shop and spend it. Look at like you now, nonsense. Money, man.
When we care about the $50, I should get nice food.
Give me it now. I'll take it back. Come in from it to food like this.
Give me the spoon, give me.
But give me $50.
You're hungry. I use a buy one piece cup.
It's a little bit in there. So done. You can't hear now.
You miss my news, America?
Food night. Oh, I do the food now.
Alia! Yeah? When you finish, come here.
Ah.
Yeah, classes.
Hey, there's smoke bowl.
Because I'm tired of American lifestyle.
Oh, what happened?
I'm tired of the dirty ways we have, you know. Imagine Marika plate high so.
Marika, go in that pot.
And look back for me. You see, after I food
So I'm not telling some you can share food.
You see, after.
So Marika, go in that pot after me tell so when you're ready to eat me, call me and share the food.
You want to see Marika plate cause high so. I mean, I say, Marika, you really short so much meat. Marika said she not short, no.
Yeah, they're looking at pot and come back. Because $50 America, you know, we don't spend America money. You know.
She said $50 enough money. So I said 45 days hour then. She said money.
May I come back?
Marika! Marika!
Oh,
Come here!
yeah, come. Okay.
Me tell us me we share food. Looking at that Marika now, this is still in your pot.
That can share for you alone.
Licky like.
So when I'm there, food not left for your man to eat for breakfast. So what is?
Make your $50 tomorrow, then you make breakfast.
You must think me a skin.
That is the joke thing.
I don't want to. You're lucky me if you feel me can't have it from breakfast, man. I'm glad to me. I'm so happy.
Good girl, Marika!
Oh, I want my phone.
So this one's a dead. Girl, we are calling my phone from morning, pa.
Come on, man. Why do so for me?
I could have worn the hush. I could have worn that test. So I saw me broke. Anything me I do for you right now, you have to pay me.
I mean, I pay one 30,000.
You sound serious. What do you want me to do?
Alright, that's me cousin and Alia. My take her, my pay you to mash up my relationship.
Marika.
Me know see me like him and Tia. But you have to do this to me, you're free now.
Marika, what? You know the favor that we have begun for me right now? 30,000 to look a bit. And I can't stomach your Rasta, man.
50. No. 35.
40.
No. 32. 30. Deal? 30. 30, man.
Marika,
When
me just come in here, how much you say you give me?
30.
Marika, do better than that.
35.
40.
35.
40.
32.
40.
33.
40.
35.
Yeah, we're fine. How come you come from this today?
40.
40. Alright. You don't like how you're quint doing now? Marika, can I ramp me?
Yeah, man, 40. You understand?
Alright, what you want me to do? You say you want me to do that. How me I go do that? I can't stomach your Rasta man, man.
You're going to find one way, man. You not always book him up for the road and stuff.
I don't have to sleep with him, man.
No, you don't have to sleep with him. You not get so far. That's why I should like you're 40. That's why I should take a 30 and one. If I didn't sleep with him, like you have 50,000.
I'm not taking 2 grand, 38. Can't go no better than that, Marika.
Jesus.
Let me tell you something. Me at work. You see? Me not have time for your hanky-panky games.
Alright then, 37.
So listen to me, is a working girl. You hear me tell you?
Alright, 37.
Alright, 37. Can I come here? We're not going to go further than this. We're not going to go further than this?
37. Alright, so I guess so. I'm going to take my cousin, man.
Fence up the arguments. You want me set him up?
Set him up.
Because when I say take it, sound like me.
Mash up a relationship.
I got your girl. So how we going to do this? How we going to proceed?
You always book him in the town, say you can see me in the town one time and then call me and say you're the very place. You understand what I say? And then me go on there and tell Aliyah, like Aliyah come in the town or me call her on the phone if she in the town or something. I have to find a way. She have to go down.
Then wait, America. And what is our own cousin? She there?
She don't know what I can.
How she there, sir?
No, you don't know about that. Just do me tell
Marika, I know you're deterred, but my name is Sensei.
I pay for the dirty work, you know. And I free me ask for. I am a friend. I'm supposed to do this for free for me.
Somebody want to come bad me?
I'm not bad up here, but I just want to say something.
Alright. Deal. But guess what, I want half of the money now.
Half of the money now? I need me carry a yard con here. All of it. Me have my card, me not have cash for me. Send me a account now, I send it to you then. Send me a account number.
Me not have my account number right now. Call me.
Later. Crosses. Alright. Aliyah. Good job.
What happened?
Just get a call.
What have to do with me?
If somebody tell me say they see a man in a town on date with one girl.
Me what?
Me what? Your man. Down a sunshine. Sunshine.
I don't need to be saying my
Plaza.
You know, well,
food. Yeah.
we so come back.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Then down the pan date. I like kiss out tongue. Why pass it now? What's up, right?
Martha. Girl, look how long I call you. Yeah, me I tell her something same. I trail me, I have to trail you, you know. Me have to trail you. Yeah, but me then I turn up and wait till me see him gone over one place and sell ice cream. So when he come out, me just walk towards him and do. But let me tell you this, no ramp with me, you know, that me I tell you, you know. Me go want me money. So if me never look a man from the day me born, girl. I never look a man from the day me born. So you see me do this, when me do this, I go want my money to play with me, you know? I not ramp with my money, you know, me see. Yes. Me I tell you something, I'm a serious girl when it comes to my money. I'm going to go want it. You're sure about this, you're sure about this. Yeah. Alright, girl, yeah. Me see my come on. Alright.
But me miss it before I go any further. Remember, it's a long time I look here, you know. So, we don't know how you have. I've a matter to look here a long time. And you say, boy, we don't need a league because your man then drive. You see, your man them drive jaily. So.
Well, I think about it. I think I like it. I can't touch it.
But you must know. Really and truly, I'm flattered by the advance. But you see me as a man like this, you see me dead one woman, me dead one woman. So me know say you must know because if your best friend, if your cousin and me dead. Because I said yeah then living in so me know you come here all the while and your friend love it and talk. So me know say you must see me come out of the room and know say me and I there. So me don't really want the you understand answer?
So you step back.
No. Me don't want the confusion. Can't, you know, I'm not cheat.
Listen now, I don't cheat, you don't cheat. We just, listen now, we just have to have fun together. Nobody knows if you know.
You may say. I know what you say, but you know, you can't do it. It's when I'm in fear time, I went fear time.
So I suppose we can't pay you.
You're a prostitute, so you can't pay me. I'm sure that. You can't pay me. Yeah, Rihanna. You have money like Rihanna money? Yeah, Rihanna money?
No, I don't have so much money.
Yes, so I mean, not to consider it there. You know what I mean?
I don't like how you pay hard.
You have Nicki Minaj money?
No.
Nobody talk about money then.
I don't like how you pay
No,
hard.
not hard to get. But we don't show it. I don't say I'm for sale, but they don't bring sale argument to me because you know what I'm saying with money. Right? So nobody like that part there. But you know, on the road me I go, but still rate is still enough. But only one way. Me and you could have even done something. But I have to out of the relationship. So I could have start a new one. I don't like confusion. I don't want there not everything and every little thing. So when the time right, if me and the female stop talking, me and you good. So we are going. You want to say I go?
Yeah.
When I come from them, some good ice cream they can eat when I eat. Them say all natural. No. What do you do?
Alright.
I ice cream, man. What do you do? I know it's a smile look at them and set me up. After I parked the car in the yard last night, do not like when we come out, the whole of the tire flat. Right? So I start I must have punch on me get. They have a pump, so I pump it up. Carry go at the tire shop. Nothing wrong with it. Somebody press it and hear it out. Yeah man. So after that all of the time man, we got a court to go play a ticket afterwards in a trouble. Like somebody deliberately. You understand? I try to sabotage me. Yeah man.
So you do nobody nothing?
I don't do nobody nothing. All I worry about is just work. I interest to have money. I'm to say alright, I may have money. I mean alright. I don't trouble people. I don't see people.
So if you don't trouble people, why somebody I do probably Badmind and Badmind still.
Badmind for what though? None of them Badmind.
People don't have a Badmind, but you have nothing at all and then just look for you and just Badmind you.
Oh boy. That's that. Not a worry about that. You just know say I have to go try to get one camera install it at your yard then. So I left with the things them and so I can have it record and see what I go on, you know. Good for have them things that still know because you will see who with you and who not with you. You put it a place upon nobody that you say it there.
That's true.
Yeah man. So what you say you want to eat tonight? Because you say you're tired and you don't really want to cook. You want little Caesars? Okay? Or you want a KFC?
I like pizza.
You want a pizza? The pizza place got a lot by now, man.
So you want to drive to all the way to KFC?
Top of your sauce for the gas station. Yeah, but you say it's similar to KFC.
But I will the potato business.
With wedges.
Whatever the money you don't like it.
I'll go see what them have there.
Give me no something in there, Bob. I don't know what it is.
You know, so some well, I make them try to make their money and tell us if we cook most of the time.
I look for the money you spend for this.
Well, time late still, you know, you don't think it's much a night. So good thing you take it to eat it.
So you know what's up?
Oh, I'm a good man. I eat before I pick you up, you know. I end up on the road and I go check my mother. But, you know, so when the mother cook, you can't tell her, I say no. Because my mother love to cook and if you take like an insult, I insult her. They're too big now. They're too big for it. So when she said, she share me a plate, I say, alright, mommy. And then as me I eat the food, it go for one big jug of juice. So you know it go. So I go man. So you have to have good relationship with the parents because them bring you come here. You have to make them proud, you know. She feel good, you know. Because if you know say our boy or your house here still, you know what I mean? And get our kitchen and our dreams. The kitchen I'm gonna get for her. I know a magazine she see it and she like it. And I never say nothing to her, but just put it down and just go say, yo, one night time them. Yeah man. Tell her.
Yeah? So she could have said story for another day.
One night time them man, like me I say, from me I roll, you know. You go have things, I just loyalty, you know what I mean? So nothing before time. You understand? So nothing before time. You have a piece of food on the line to come in. When you come in, you give a thing, you know what you want to do with it. You understand? You do what you want to do with it. You have to make up your mind. You understand?
Yeah.
I tell you what to do. Just do good, you know? Bad driving a while ago, you know. Not even know.
Just be careful.
like you licking her back and the car lick out the windscreen one day, you know. Yeah, but it's a good thing to know the youth. When I see him lick through the screen and I see him look around, I say, what go on? What go on, Kev? And he must broke up. So I have to just can't go to the hospital still. Because him say, boy, I never see when I pull over, she you know, see the brake light, you know, see nothing. But we know saying see it, but maybe it did high. I'm not seeing none of your cousins and family. What are they?
Not them, one of them. Yeah, one good, but the other one, she always wind up some bad guys. I mean, not different bad guys. So, just a little.
Alright, so that's that. Think we are it now? I'll go find a good movie to watch.
What a movie?
I don't know, just watch anything we can watch tonight. There you go. Hold on bed first though. Alright?
Yeah.
Look at you set up on me. Everyone come see you. You're good though.
Alright, man. How will I go?
No, you know, so I want if you meet somebody somewhere and them stood me up and some business transaction. So we just sit down on the plaza. If they come, then if they come. It's not going to work on me hand. But you're good though?
Me alright, man. Alright. Nice seeing you.
Tell me what you think, go.
Marika.
Yeah.
What one?
Girl, me there and relax.
Girl, today a lucky day.
I lie. What?
We bingo.
I lie.
Girl,
Where's the tea?
me just see your cousin man.
Where?
Right out where the plaza your name? Sunshine, Sunrise. Whatever the plaza your name.
Sunshine Plaza.
Yes.
Run a West End.
Yes.
Run where I collect money. Run the south.
Yes, girl. So listen to me now. What I need you to do is to call your cousin or wherever you're there, if she there near you.
Me go in her room.
Tell her say me and our man on a date.
Oh, what?
Yes, me just see my while ago. You say I wait for somebody. So tell her me go call you back. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Make sure you know girl and hurry up.
Girl, me will do it right now.
Hurry up, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
I don't know how long I go there for, you know. I don't know how long I go there for. I will soon cut.
Yeah. Girl, look how long you call you for tell the girl. Which part she reach? Girl, listen to me. The man roll us so long. I don't know what time I'm going to leave or nothing. How long you sit down there? So she then here. Alright.
Just pass you all so I come back now. Why difference now? I get some money lot of. But me wonder something. Is it that when a man single, nobody no want him, but as soon as you have a woman, it's like woman starts sleep. Are you like it? Is it because of a woman make them start noticing more because they never have a case? Remember time when I never have a case, I never have no time for me to talk about jail and all them. I did.
And then over time, the feelings just start growing.
Come tell her one thing, man. This is a youth have plenty talent. But this a country, do not look out for you in your talent. So for me, who want a jail and fancy, it is 1% out of 100. But me a fight for it, but this is never come and know, me not really mess it up. You know what I mean? Because I was waiting to get to my face. You sure say some of my face, I'm going to take off no hour ago?
No, I'm waiting for me to put your beard.
What kind of rice is on here?
Well, I see the beard.
What is that cloud there come from?
I don't know what it is.
See you laugh so. Oh, you laugh so. People say me's a comedian, you know. I should have been a comedian. Yeah, them say we remind them a quick talker. Yeah, so we don't know if I make you laugh, so for you come and just be a laugh, you laugh. But if that, you know, so I'm going to try to stand up comedian. What is that? Woman, me just talk to you about something you hug me up.
It doesn't feel like okay.
No, but listen now. Be serious. Woman, it cannot happen. You see, if some man are leave, then you have your chance.
So if you're not right on me, I can't live.
Listen, I say now. But let me not go left right now. But down the line, if you don't work out, if you see bigger fish and she want to fly, she do her thing. But when I think something now, she don't want it.
I say you better make sure you have the money. Because if this don't work, I don't know what else will work. I get one picture of me and
Free. So, if you don't watch a movie that a while ago and you like it, you know, leave a comment, you know what I mean? And we continue doing our best, you know what I mean? Because we have to try to pass the test. Yeah, man. Yelling from the west. Let's go. Watch a movie, I big up all the sponsor them from that time. Although I don't see no more sponsoring going in. Everybody broke, you know, just like